Hi, and welcome to another episode of Steps Math with Miss Hayden. I'm Miss Hayden.
This is Gilbert speaking.
And today we're learning about teaching analog clocks. So analog clocks are the round clocks with hands as opposed to digital clocks, which are kind of the square ones with numbers. And when we're teaching analog clocks, I find it really helpful to use a Judy clock. So these are a couple examples of Judy clocks. This is actual Judy brand, and then this is just a kind of a knockoff Learning Resources brand. But the things that make Judy clocks special is that when you move the minutes hand, the hour hand moves too, which is really the way clocks work in real life. And if you...
10 clock.
It is not, but now it is. If you don't have a Judy clock at home, you can buy one on Amazon, or if you would like, you can pick one up in the main office and I can lend you one. I can send you home with one. You also can just use a regular old clock that you buy at Walmart or IKEA or the 99-cent only store.
You can use your own clock that you have.
That's a great idea too. But what is important, the most important thing when teaching reading an analog clock is that you don't only use worksheets. In fact, I don't really like to use worksheets at all. In real life, what we do is we look at a clock that hangs up on the wall, or we look at a clock on our tablet or our watch or our phone, and none of
your iPad.
Yes, that too. And none of those clocks are on a piece of paper. They're all real life things. So in order to replicate that, I prefer to use a real life thing. This is also why I really don't like worksheets where students have to draw hands on a clock. Because in the real world, we don't see clocks without hands and have to put hands on them. In the real world, we see clocks with specific times, and then we have to read them. So, Gilbert actually has not learned to read a clock yet. That's not something you do in kindergarten. But let's just start with analog clocks to the hour, and I'm just going to run through a couple trials with him and show you how it works. Yeah, that's not 12 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yes, it is 10 o'clock. So let's just do a couple trials, and I'm going to ask him what time it is, and we're just gonna see.
What about Miss Watson? What time is it?
Yeah. And I know my kids really like that Starfall song, and so it always makes me think of that when I see... No, the one that goes 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick tock. All right, what time is it?
Okay, 11.
That's right, it's 11 o'clock. Very good.
You actually got to do this. You see this little turn thing?
Okay. All right, now, let's do this one.
2 o'clock, Mom.
It is. So running trials it's as easy as that. It's as easy as setting a clock and asking your kiddo what time it is. All right, we'll try that one in a minute. All right, say bye.
Bye.